Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Unice. Today's wig review is going to be on Unice hair. In my package, I received a wig cap, some hair clips, as well as a scarf and some lashes. My wig came in this plastic bag that's labeled at the bottom. This is a V-part wig. So this is an 18-inch V-part wig. I didn't receive any tangling with this wig, and the more I wore it, I did receive just slight shedding. This is 150% density, and it's also in a curly texture. With a V part, it is different from a U part. It is in a V where you can just put it slightly. You don't have to leave no hair out at all. So in this video, I do show you how I didn't leave any of my hair, my natural hair out, and just hooked it on. This wig does just have two combs, and there's also just one comb at the bottom so you can secure it at the back of your head. At the area where it has the V at the top, it does have wig clips. The wig clips help secure your hair. With a comb, you can easily pull a comb out, but with the wig clip, it does have a more secure hold. Now this is exactly what it looks like at the very top. So as you can see, the hair does come all the way at the beginning, and you see slightly there's a little piece of lace, but that lace is going to blend in whenever you put your hair on. The lace is basically going to be where your scalp is, and of course the hair is where everything else is. I actually did not have my hair braided down. I just slicked mine back in a ponytail in a bun and just put the cap on. Now it does naturally just clip in. If you do have a silkier texture hair, you will need to try to braid it down first, but because I'm very natural, it did just hook right onto my hair. So with me being natural, this wig was very easy to install. I did just slick my hair back and just added this wig along my roots. I did just make a part and then added the wigs, and it did secure to the roots of my hair. If you do have a more silkier texture hair, you would just need to braid your hair down or play with your roots a little bit more so the combs will be able to hold and not slip out. This is the back view of this wig. I can say the ends are slightly thinner than the rest of the hair, but in the middle it is very thick. This wig is very secure. As you can see with me pulling it, it's not going anywhere. Now this wig is also very versatile. I actually had it earlier in a slight middle part, and then I'm moving it to the side. It's whatever you feel comfortable with. So I actually like the side part better than the middle part. It just gives it that bang effect because I'm one of them girls. I got a bigger forehead than the rest. So I like the side part with this wig, and I felt like it looked more natural. So all I'm going to do is just take my clips out, and I did part my hair, and I just hook it on and secure the back, and just play with it a little more to your liking, and then that is your next style. And I didn't mention earlier, this wig does have a layer effect. So if it does look a little thin at the ends, it is because it is layered. At the very bottom, it seems like at the top and the middle is a little bit shorter, and the ends at the bottom, the hair seems like it's a lot longer. But it does have a layer effect throughout this hair. So whether you do a side part, a middle part, it's still going to have that layer effect. If you want to trim it, you can. I didn't trim this hair. I just like the way it just looked. But I do say it is a little bit thin at the ends. If you want to go ahead and trim it, you can. This is the natural texture and the look of the hair. I did not put anything in this wig. This is naturally how it looks, but I have been wearing this wig, so this is what it looks like after days and days. This isn't fresh out the package, but I will insert a clip of what exactly it looked like fresh out the package. All I do to style this hair, I just finger pull everything out. I don't like thin hair, so I definitely don't go for the wet look. I definitely want to brush everything out with my fingers to kind of give it that more volume and that look, because this hair looks like it's just sitting right on my shoulders. So I do just try to pull everything out to give it that definition. So y'all, I really thought I was finished, but I just had to show y'all some more views. So this is me again, just giving y'all more of a closer up look of this wig. This is what it looks like. This is how I went out this day. You know, I actually really like, I feel like it looks very natural. It's a hassle keeping a leave out all the time or trying to make something blend. Everybody wants something easy. This wig is very easy. It's very versatile. So in this next clip, I just show you how I just tied it up. You can put this hair up if you want to. With it being put up, I just clipped it in the back. I didn't have a hair tie around me just to show y'all, but I just put one of the hair clips and I just put it up. You can wear this wig to work. You can wear it out if you want to be conservative. You can just pull it up above your shoulders and you won't have to worry about anything. I did just pull just 2 strands out, just give it just, you know, a little pizzazz, a little bang. And this is exactly what it looks like. You can wear this wig to church. You can wear it to the grocery store. It's just easy, very convenient, and you don't have to worry about any leave out, and everything is secured underneath, and you don't have to worry about anybody pulling your hair.